you work as much as you're at home,
Uh-huh.
and that wherever you are, you should try to make it as beautiful as possible.
Well, that works.
So you
They're
end
really
up
nice.
looking behind you, and then you say, you know what, it's going to be a great day.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Because
great.
sometimes I will walk to work,
Oh, really?
and you can see the birds chirping. They're
Yeah.
having a good time.
Yeah.
Like, you should be having a good time too.
True. Yeah. Enjoy the presence.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to today's courtroom breakdown, where judicial patience meets procedural chaos. From pre-trial diversions and mysterious docket entries to a case where food poisoning might be the hinge between freedom and jail time, this hearing has everything. Who's keeping it together? Who's dropping the ball? And more importantly, what happens when a misstep at a urine test could derail a man's probation? Buckle up. You're about to hear the real drama behind the courtroom doors.
All right, everyone, I am going to call the docket. Sorry about the late start. I actually am co-judge now with Judge Ron Rangel for the mental health court. So we're going to take up the mental health court docket probably by 9:40. I just need to finish my docket first, then we'll take that up. All right. Adolfo Rodriguez Villafon. All right, thank you. Carlos, oh, that shouldn't be on the docket. Diana Murcia. Josh Randall Sanchez. Raymond Elizondo, and Miss Abrams. That was on the docket yesterday with you. It's 2022 CR 11094. And Austin Michael Young, I think he may be in custody. All right, so counsel, just let me know when you're ready to approach. All right, thank you. While we're waiting, the interpreter, can you tell me, have you received all the discovery?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. And this is we're applying for pretrial diversion, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to give you I'm going to recall you all for October 30th. You could do a reset form for me on Adolfo Rodriguez Philip thing, and it's a P2D.
Over 30th, that would be great.
Yes. Is that good for you, counsel?
Yes.
Thank you, Adriana. October 30th. And for the other, if there's no slot, if you'll just write PTD. And counsel, things should be taken care of with this PTD by that time. So just make sure you do the contract and everything.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna have to look at that. You know, everybody thinks, you know, every single charge in the penal code.
Oh, yeah.
But the violation of motor fuel tax requirement,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to look that one up.
I don't know. It's for, Rodriguez. Yeah, it's an odd one.
Mhm.
Get your hair.
And
Oh, really nice.
Rashawn. So what is happening with Raymond Elizondo? Was he given notice of yesterday?
Oh.
Yeah. At what time?
I said that's
So Judge on
Yeah.
All right. Diana Marcia. All right, Norma.
Yes, no, I wasn't provided with the CSO did notify her,
Okay.
and we said it, so.
When do you want it recalled?
Next.
Tuesday of next week? All right, Miss Ferguson, if you put 2025 CR 11094 Raymond Elizondo for Tuesday of next week. Yes, I think that's the correct cause number. He was on the docket for yesterday, if you don't see him.
Okay.
And Deputy Laura, can you make an announcement in the hall for Diana Marcia?
From that case, I showed that it was dismissed for PTD on September 15th.
All righty. Norma, that needs to be in the system that it was dismissed.
Yes.
Thank you for checking on that. Diana Marcia, yes. I don't know why these are appearing on the docket when they've been dismissed.
The court can, take the court date off, one day through this. That gets over receipts and things, Judge.
Oh, no problem.
About this.
You guys were asking.
All right, Rashawn, I put it in the system, at least in the notes, that he's being recalled for September 30th. All right, are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
All right, could I have the file on his client, please?
Young?
Yes.
All right, let's unpack what just happened here. The judge laid it out crystal clear. If Mr. Young tested clean, he'd go back on probation, if not rehab or worse. But here's where things unravel. Despite the judge's instructions, court orders didn't make it to pretrial services in time, leaving Mr. Young caught in a bureaucratic limbo. Now add in a bout of food poisoning, and the guy misses his drug test. The result? A warrant. Legit excuse or just another case of dodging consequences? What do you think? Bad system, bad timing, or bad choices? Drop your take in the comments below.
All right, so before we go on the record, my understanding is that with Judge Angeline, he had entered pleas of truth,
That's correct, Judge.
and then he was to come back for the outcome of something.
Of a UA. And so he had some food poisoning that day. He'd gone to
Oh, but let's get the
pre-trial.
record.
Okay, we can do that. Like,
All right.
it's a little bit of procedural
I
stuff.
was just trying to figure out.
Yeah, there's a story.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 1449W State versus Austin Young. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Lauren Espinoza.
defense?
Louis Martinez on behalf of Mr. Young.
And are you Mr. Young?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, on September, I think this is September 11th. You
Yes,
entered a
ma'am.
plea of true to violations 2, 2, and 2. And there was no sentencing on the plea. Off the record, your attorney informed me that you were requested to do a UA or something.
A UA,
Yes.
the 11th.
All right, you may proceed to counsel.
Okay, so Judge, just procedurally. So on the 11th, Mr. Young was released by Judge Angelini, provided to go to get UA. And essentially told him in open court, if you clean tomorrow, then, you're just going back on probation. I'll reinstate you. If you're dirty, then you need to go in someplace. Mr. Young called me from pretrial services. I was on the phone with him. We were trying to talk to somebody there about him doing a UA. They kept saying, we don't have anything from the court, so we had trouble doing that. The next morning, Mr. Young had some food poisoning issues, had been at the doctor's, did not come in, a warrant was issued. And then we just tried to regroup and figure out where to go from here. And so Mr. Young brought himself in voluntarily yesterday.
Oh, what's the takeaway here? This courtroom scene shines a harsh light on the delicate dance between legal procedure and personal responsibility. Mr. Young's case is a cautionary tale. One misstep, one missing form, and you're facing a warrant. The judge showed some leniency, but make no mistake, the system expects you to navigate it perfectly, even when it doesn't do the same in return. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.